everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Ribbit here. Today we're gonna make Jamaican jerk chicken with brown rice and peas. Yes, delicious stuff, but we're getting ahead of ourselves because we gotta marinate the chicken overnight. Key ingredient, you gotta have Walkerswood authentic Jamaican jerk seasoning. This stuff, all ingredients are grown, processed, and this sauce is made in Jamaica. We're going to jazz it up with some Slap Your Mama, Cheater's garlic, and lime juice. So let's get the marinade going. Okay, we got the Walkerswood in the bowl. To that, we're going to add 2 generous tablespoons of Cheater's garlic. We got the Slap Your Mama hot blend. We're going to add a generous tablespoon of that. Now, we got red wine vinegar. That's traditionally Jamaican, but you can use apple cider vinegar if you want. We're going to add about a 1/4 cup. And the same amount of Italian Volcano original lime juice. We'll add a 1/4 cup of that as well. Well, let me shake it up first because the sediment is at the bottom and we want all its goodness. Okay, we'll call that a 1/4 cup. Let's mix all this together and we're gonna eyeball because we want a nice consistency here to marinate the chicken in. Let's see, this is looking good. Okay, so let's get the chicken and the marinade in the bag. Okay, and here we are. We got, was it 8 or 9 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs with the marinade in a 1-gallon freezer bag. So join me tomorrow and we'll start cooking. And hello again. Through the miracle of time, it is now tomorrow. And we've got the lump charcoal burning, getting hot outside, and now we're going to make the brown rice and peas. We got the long grain brown rice here. In Jamaica they call what we know as beans peas, so it's not going to be the green peas. We got red kidney beans. We got some more Slap Your Mama sauce, powder rather. We got some coconut, salt and pepper, chicken bouillon cubes, spring onions, and I got a bouquet garni here of fresh thyme and cilantro. So let's get going. The first thing we're going to do is we've got our 6 cups of water in the pot with half a stick of butter. We're going to add the 1 tablespoon each sea salt and coarse ground black pepper, Slap Your Mama and chicken bouillon cubes, the 1 cup of, what is that, coconut, and the 2 cans of peas slash kidney beans, juice and all. Yep, we want that goodness in there. Okay, oh yeah. And then the 1 bunch of spring onions, chopped coarsely. And let's stir that in together until it starts boiling. Alright, it's coming up to a boil. Now here we have 3 cups of rinsed long grain brown rice. So we're going to mix that in well. And we're going to wait for the bubbling and boiling to start. Okay, it's starting to boil. So we're going to throw in our bouquet garni and kind of submerge it. Okay. We're going to cover it, turn down the heat to low, and cook it for 45 minutes. Okay, so the rice is cooked for 45 minutes over low. Then we turn the burner off and it's set for 10 minutes. So it should be totally cooked, but it's not. Oh, it's totally soupy. Oh my, what did I do? Is the rice cooked? Let's see. No. Okay, I guess it was too low. So we're going to bring it back to high. And folks, this is to show you I don't always make perfect things. Okay, but we can fix this. We're going to bring the rice back to boil, but at this point that flavor is delicious. So I'm going to take the bouquet garni out of there and we can ditch it. Okay, so let's get this stuff boiling again to a good boil. It tastes good though. Wow, that tastes really good. Okay, so the rice felt like it was half done. So instead of low, I'm going to put it to number 2. A little bit more. And we're going to cover it. And let's go for another 30 minutes. Okay, so after about an hour and a half, the rice is finally cooked all the way through. And it's not fluffy. It's like that, but let me tell you, it tastes delicious. I must have gotten a really old bag of rice at the grocery store. I don't know, because it's not supposed to take that long to cook. But anyway, it comes out right. It's good to go. So let's check the chicken. Jerk chicken getting jerky. And here is the delicious jerk chicken straight off the grill. It smells delicious, and folks, this is not burnt. The jerk seasoning just browns up like this, and it is absolutely delicious. So let's go ahead and plate some up and let's eat. So here we have it, Jamaican jerk chicken with brown rice and peas. But that's not all. We got to gussy it up. We have got to put some cilantro or parsley on the rice. And we got limes. Yes, lime juice is a must on the rice and the chicken if you want. I love limes, so that's going to be very, very nice. And that's not all. What we got here is plantain chips. Yes, plantains are good. I love them. I didn't make them fresh. I cheated. How about the chips? Let's get them on here. Oh. There you go. Let's go ahead and try this tastiness. Let me tell you, the plantain chips are spot on. I got the chile and limon flavored ones. Just gorgeous. Okay. Let's try the difficult rice. Wow. What a mess. But it tastes good. I know that because I've tried it. Finally, the rice is perfectly cooked. After an hour and a half, the spice mix in it is just wonderful. And folks, do not skimp on the fresh thyme and cilantro bouquet garni. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. The rice is soft. The red peas are plump and delicious. Just the right amount of slap your mama. Just what's there not to like? Let's dive into this chicken. With that Walkerswood, I've made this a million times, so I know it's good. But I'm going to show it again to you here. Chicken temp at 165, perfectly done. Walkerswood is magic. Yeah. With the lime juice and the garlic. Man, all I need is some reggae music in the background. This is so good. Jamaicans know how to eat. They know how to grill. This is good stuff. I could eat this all day long. If you have never tried Walkerswood, you need to. You can find it at my favorite online retailer. You know who that one is. That I can't stand the guy, but anyway. And locally, we can get it at Walmart. So that's a good thing. What I wanted to say about this rice. Typically, it's made with coconut milk. I really don't like coconut milk. It's too sweet. It's too creamy. Using the grated coconut that I did, much better. I get the coconut flavor, but it's subdued, it's in the background. Very good. So folks, thanks for watching. Y'all take care. You know I appreciate you. Bye-bye.